In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the WAP TikTok trend, but this is going to be a slow tutorial. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now, let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now, let's get started. The very first thing we're going to do is an A with our right hand and an A with our left hand. So to do the A, we're going to have our hands in fists, and then our right hand goes towards the left, then to the right. And then same with the other hand. Right, left. Okay, once again, left, right, right, left. Okay, so after this, we're going to slide. So to do the slide, we're going to start with our left leg, and then like our right leg goes back, and then we're going to slide it towards our left one. So fast, it's going to look like this. 1. Once again, 1. And while we're doing this, we're going to go like this with our finger. So all together, it's going to look like this. 1. Once again, 1. Okay, let's start from the beginning and we'll move on. 8, 8, slide. Okay, so after we slide, we're going to throw it back. But instead of doing a normal throw it back, which looks like this, we're going to move forward a little bit. So we're going to tilt forward. So it's going to look like this. 1, like that. Once again, 1. Okay, let's start from the beginning and we'll move on. Let's go. 8, 8, slide, third back, and then after this, we're going to step to the right with our right leg, and our hands are doing a circle, like that. So just our hands go to the sides, and then we're going to pretend we're picking up something, like that. And then we're going to go back, and then our hands just go down. So it's going to look like this. Step, circle, back. Once again, step, circle, back. Once again, faster, step, step. Okay, so let's start from the beginning and we'll move on. 8, 8, slide, third back, step, and then we're gonna click. So we're gonna do a circle, our hands go down, and then from here, we're gonna click and we're gonna tilt forward a little bit. It's gonna look like this. Okay, so once again, step, click, and then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. So we're just gonna go pat, 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 and then we're gonna go 1, 2. Okay, let's start from the beginning, and then I'm gonna explain this part a little bit more. So first from the beginning. 8, 8, slide, third back, step, click, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here we're just gonna pop. Our right hand is gonna look like this. So 2 fingers are going forward, and then our big finger is going up. So pop, and then we're gonna go back, and then we're gonna do the mop. How to do the mop? We're gonna put our hands in fists. Our right hand goes down, left one on top. Then we're gonna step with our right leg, and we're gonna go right, left. Okay, so once again, from the mop, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're gonna do it from the very beginning, and then we'll move on because we are already more than halfway through. So let's go. 8, 8, slide, third back, step, click, pat, 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 and pop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what we're going to do after this is we're going to go 1, 2 again, but faster. So first it's going to go slow, and then 1, 2, fast, and then we're going to go 1, 2, 3. So we're just going to shake our shoulders, so one goes back, the other one forward, then the opposite side, and the opposite side. 3 times. So from the mouth, it's going to look like this. 1, 2, step, step, 1, 2, and 3. So 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so after this, we're going to go 1, and then 2. So our hand is, again, in this position, like the one it was before, and then just our fingers are going towards us like this. We're gonna do it twice. 1 and then 2. And we're gonna just do waves to the sides. So first, keep your hands down and just go like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then when we do the wave, we're gonna bend our leg. So for example, we're doing the wave to the left. We're gonna bend our left leg, and then it's gonna stay bent. We're gonna slowly bend our right leg and straighten our left one. So fast, fast, a little bit faster. It's gonna look like this. 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. And then the only thing we have to do now is just tilt forward a little bit more. So it's gonna look like this. 1, 2. Like that. 1, 2. And then our hand goes like this, as I told you before. So when we go to the left, we're gonna do 1, and then when we go to the right, we're gonna go 2. So it's gonna look like this. 1 and then 2. Okay, so we're gonna do it from the very beginning, and we'll move on because we only have 2 moves left. So let's go from the beginning. A, slide, third back, step, click, pat, 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 and pop. 1, 2, step, step, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, slide, slide, and then after this, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're just gonna go up. Okay, so this is one move, and then this is the second one. So first, let's break up the first one. We're gonna tilt our head back like this. Our finger just goes up. Then we're gonna pop. Then we're gonna go back, and then our legs go back like that. So once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it just has to go faster and faster. You will get it easily, so don't worry. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has to look like this. And then after this, we're just gonna do a wave up without the isolation we just did. So just 1. And then with our shoulders, we're just gonna go 1, 2, 3 again, as we did before. But this is gonna be very fast. Like people are not gonna notice it at all. So it's gonna look like this. So we're gonna go down, right? And then 1, like that. And that's it, that's the whole dance. So we're gonna practice it from the beginning a couple times slow and then fast. And we're gonna be done. So first let's do it slow. Let's go. 8, slide, third back, step, click, pat, 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 and pop. Right, left, step, step, 1, 2, 1, slide, slide, head, pop, down, legs, up. Okay, and now we're gonna do the same thing. Again, slow, but a little bit faster. Okay, so it's not gonna be the normal speed, but a little bit faster. And then we're gonna do it even faster, and that's it. So first, slow, but a little bit faster than before. Let's go. A, slide, third back, step, click, pat, 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 and pop. Right, left, step, step, 1, 2, and 3, slide, slide, 1, 2, 3, 4, wave up. Okay, and now the same thing, but even faster. Let's go. A, slide, third back, step, click, 1, 2, 3, and pop. Right, left, step, step, 1, 2, and 3. Slide, slide, 1, 2, 3, 4, wave up. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!